Hello everybody! Final round is ahead, exactly ahead of us. And this is where we started. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
We are starting in Willow Springs. Thank you, very good. How are you? And we are starting from the very special occasion. This man is old officially. Officially 28
years
today.
old today.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Mister.
And it's a good way to kind of have a birthday, isn't it?
Oh, definitely.
Like,
freshly prepared cars for a last final round, and we are about to test it.
how is it the final round already? I don't really understand.
This year,
that.
yeah. This year is not flying, it's like a rocket ship. We're on a mission to discover new planets. But you will be acknowledged about our plans very soon after this one. But
we need
now,
to think of them first.
exactly, we need to figure out what we're doing. But now we know that we will be driving those, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 actually. Because here is 130, mine is 215, and you can hear some Porsches. Actually, there are Porsches. Because there are some Porsches event. Maybe there is a Porsche with a rotary.
No.
This day will be fantastic.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Bing in. Oh. Gabador.
Awesome. Right, time to have some fun.
That was a really good run. Good fun.
That was good fun. I left it in 3rd gear instead of 4th gear. Like when the clamp is on, it lights 4th gear, no problem. But that was still fun.
I like when you have to work a little bit harder.
Yeah.
I can feel it once I started getting close to the barrel and the wall. It's just run it. Yeah, all right.
Thursday, see you there.
And now it's practice to time birthday.
Practice to what?
Practice to time birthday.
Time birthday?
Yeah.
Practice to time birthday.
Practice to time birthday.
Okay.
And we will do that.
We'll discover what that is later.
I mean, it's a time to practice some birthday action, but before that, we need to park the cars, be ready, gather everybody, and enjoy.
How did you guys do that?
Oh, it's like I was doing the red card, you know.
Oh, guys, thank you very much.
Yeah, and there's a present for a whole team.
Surprise me. That's awesome, man. Thank you very much.
You don't have to wear it, but you know, it's just...
Very That's awesome. Thank you very much, man.
Oh, pleasure. Happy birthday, man. Best wishes.
Thank you, Marshall. I hate wearing hats, I look really stupid.
In this one, you will be looking even worse, you know.
28, you have to put the name number on it.
Of course.
Thank you, guys.
Just to make it more emotional. Ford GT is actually doing some show. Who is driving? Oh, how was the ride actually?
Well, I was in the passenger seat while DDE Damon was having some fun.
Were you nervous?
I was a little bit nervous. There were definitely some moments. Some like anxious kind of like, is this a good idea because this thing's priceless and irreplaceable? But
You're a brave man.
well, all's well that ends well, right?
Yeah.
The tyres haven't ended well, but that was kind of the point. They're off now to be changed, so cool. Life is good.
That's so cool. That is excellent.
Design of
Look at look how small the cabin is. Even this is so wide, you know. Love it.
So you gotta say,
Yeah.
this is a pretty special moment, isn't it?
It is. It's the beginning of the final round of the season.
Final round of the season, walking onto this track for the time this weekend. About to start practice. You could say it's a bit intense, but like exciting at the same time.
For sure. Oh, it's always like that. So far our adventure is very exciting, you know, with FD being in America and stuff like that. Competing in this, so legendary layout, man.
Yeah, it's unreal.
Hello. Definitely looks like it's after the practice, a good practice, and the day is over. It was unusual as for a first practice day to finish it at night, because normally even if the event is at night, FD makes their practice finish a bit earlier, but now we have almost 9 p.m. We done what we should do. Car is working great, so that's a good news. Now we need to check if everything is okay, because the cars get... Bye-bye! Bye, driver! Because the cars get really abused, so the guys need to now do proper check, but I know they will. And yeah, let's prepare for tomorrow. Reverse.
Oh my god, you have your backpack and you're the same way.
My backpack doesn't
and your
weigh that
subway.
much. It doesn't weigh anything. It's hooligan carbon fiber.
Oh, you're light. You're 10 pounds lighter than me.
I wonder why you're faster.
Yeah.
And you still beat me at karting.
Okay, that's light. I think your hair was wet.
Probably.
Oh no, your battery's full.
That's good. As you can see, it becomes dark. That means that when it's dark and it's Friday, it's qualification time in Irwindale. So yes, fingers crossed for good runs. We'll try to stay high on those walls and bring the cars safely in one piece as they are right now, fresh and ready for carnage. Those qualifications wasn't the best of us, to be honest. The result is maybe far, not far, but quite far from perfect. But still, it's Irwindale. Yeah, we are in top 32, so it's always hard. You can never underestimate this place, because it will punch you back, as it does in my case. The whole back part wasn't new before that run. Now it's oh, it was a distraction. It was a distraction.
I got the bank nice, transition nice, and then transition too early, and I was like that far away from the wall for half of the inner bank. I was so disappointed. But this happened. Oh, I couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
I just transitioned too early. I don't know what was going through my mind, but anyway.
Still,
yeah,
good.
We had the same score in the end.
We are in top 8, at least in case of scores.
Yeah.
So we will see what's going to be a bracket, but it's definitely going to be interesting, because I don't know what happened, but I think that Freddy missed his second run.
He has a 92. Yeah, he missed the second run. But yeah, it is what it is. So
we will see.
Focus on tomorrow.
Sure. Okay. Irwindale, summer there. Zoom in. It's Saturday. It's a competition day, and it's too early to start the day if it wants to finish that late. But
it is quite a long day today.
Yeah.
What's your
Crunch
phone?
Bravo.
Your phone is saying turn right.
Yeah. We got 2 minutes to the racetrack, and we should be there at 10. Exactly 1 minute before our scheduled time.
That's
We're so punctual.
I'm actually looking forward to it. I want to get started.
Yeah. Oh, it would be so good to start right now.
Like in 12 hours time, it's gonna be. Oh, sorry for that. In 12 hours time, it's gonna be interesting to see how the day went for all of us. And the year even.
Let's keep our fingers crossed.
Everyone involved.
For having a good time in 12-hour time.
But no matter what happens, it's been a really enjoyable year.
Oh yeah, for sure. But we'll wrap it up in the end. Now let's focus. So I am up for my first top 32 battle. Unfortunately, my opponent went to the wall right down with an incident. He cannot fix his car, so in the end I'm going through. So that's good news for me, bad for him, unfortunately. But hopefully his car isn't that bad and he will be able to fix it without a bigger struggle somehow. And now we are waiting for James. And fingers crossed that finally he will have a good battle without an issue. I wouldn't tell it aloud. Thank you, Marcin. I don't want to tell it aloud to anybody else in the team. I'm just sharing it with you guys. Because if you actually look in the past of James's battles in Irwindale, he never have a clean battle, you know. There always was something, either crash, or there's some mistakes. So fingers crossed, and let's hope for the best.
James the Machine Dean out front, your two-time defending champion, and your current points leader. James Dean initiates, good angle from him. Kevin Lawrence, some wavering there, shimmies his way up the bank about halfway through as James Dean now transitions into that second outer zone. And he is just putting his car in exactly where it needs to be. The judges, of course, impressed with that as Kevin Lawrence punts that inside clip. Ryan, James the Machine Dean makes it look really, really easy. Into that second outer zone. And there's James Machine Dean right there on the door of that S chassis, bringing around that final clip.
Very nice battle to watch, and congrats!
Top 16.
Yes!
Thank God. Many people looking.
They were correct. It's so amazing to be here again.
Top 16 in Irwindale is just one of those things, man. That is like a bucket list thing. And it continues as you go on. Like, okay, it's bucket list again for next year.
Sure, but it's excellent to be here, to have your car here, and simply to stand on this tarmac where the champions were chosen.
Yeah, woo! It's gonna be an interesting night ahead. But I'm just gonna try to enjoy the rest of it.
And that's the solution. That's the best one. I will try to do the same.
Yeah.
So we'll see what's going to be an outcome, but we will give our best.
Yeah.
Take care.
Let's have some fun.
Yeah.
This is gonna be lighter, so I'm gonna stand back a bit more. That's good. It's a good device. Your turn.
Confetti! For our own confetti just before start of top 16. Yes! We will wait with that. Second, and we will be back after the top 16.
Piotr Visick in the chase position, gets into Osbo, and they go into that tire wall. And here we go. Peter Visick initiates. Frederick Osbo right there in that Rockstar energy drink. Next entire Toyota, racing Toyota Corolla. Peter Visick coming down on the bank into that inside front clip. Osbo a little bit off now into that second outer zone. Peter Visick and Osbo. Poland versus Norway. Now coming through that second outside zone. Tightens up to the front clip. Now to the outside zone. Piotr gets all the way out there. Osbo does not. This is a dogfight. Make some noise, Irwindale. Okay, he is definitely a competitor, a champion, a contender for the championship. Frederick Osbo, Piotr Visick right there. Look at Peter Visick grinding those Falcon tires in the door of that Toyota Corolla hatchback. Transitioning now into that second outer zone. How are they going to handle it? Into the second outer zone. Peter Visick rubs into the door of that Toyota Corolla. Visick makes his presence felt, and Candyman dropping some sweetness on the side of that Corolla.
I was like, I wasn't believing my eyes.
I was still like the best surprise when I get here tonight. My mom actually arrived, you know. I didn't expect that. It was just a surprise. So. Oh, no. That's awesome. Oh, Bushy just killed us.
I know.
Congrats to him.
Yeah.
He was somehow how he find the speed for you, like.
I know.
But that was very
I should have pushed hard while chasing, but I was afraid of getting caught like I was with Forrest. And,
yeah, I know. I'll probably, if I would do it one more time again with Dushi, I will hit the gap also.
Yeah, but then it wasn't the best. It was messy. But in my lead run, I had fun at least. It felt really nice. Nice angle.
Have something to celebrate, I think.
Olaf told me over the radio I didn't realise my top 16 battle with Forrest was for the championship. And I was like, what? And then I didn't know what to do. I was on my own in the car and I just started doing donuts.
I saw that you definitely get an information about it, but excellent. Still
Challenging night, but man, your driving this weekend was inspiring. That's all I can say.
Thank you very much.
I tried, I felt like towards the end of my lead runs I was getting closer to being as committed as you have been since your first lap.
Oh no, you've been doing much better lead runs than me.
No,
so that was really sick.
Nice.
That was really sick to watch. So congrats, man.
Thank you.
I think you still can be proud about yourself.
I'm very happy. I'm very proud of the team and all the people here supporting us, our families and friends.
Exactly. Thank you guys for the whole season of supporting us, being with us, watching this stupid channel, and simply.
We'll try to do more in the future.
For sure.
Off season's coming. What's going to happen? Who knows?
Oh, we have some plans. They are not too professional, probably.
No, but I think that's better.
Yeah. See you after, guys. Thank you. You're the best. Woo!
Awesome.
There you go, buddy. Congratulations, man. High five. Hold it up.
Unbelievable. I didn't know what it was.